everyone, this is your sewing teacher Veronica, and in this video I will show you how to fix your jeans, and I mean the holes that we often have in between our legs here. So I know it's a very common problem and it will be a very short video, so stay tuned. So what do you need? First of all, we need the thread that will match the color of your jeans. So what you can do is to keep only one thread like this and place it with the jeans and see if the color is the same. So you need to find the thread that matches very well the color of your jeans. And we also need the material that is called Fleecyline. I hope you can see it. You buy it in a fabric store. So on one side it has the glue, yeah? So also the other word for it is interfacing, Fleecyline or interfacing. So we will need a small piece like this. So this is inside of my jeans. This is my hole that I want to fix, and I prepared this small piece of Fleecyline. One side has small bubbles, or it can be shiny, so that is the side with the glue. Make sure this side with bubbles or the shiny goes down. So what I want to do is to connect everything in one with the glue, right? I place it on top and I use iron. You normally need to wait about 7 seconds to make it work, and we glue it together. So this is the result. I connected this glue thing and it's more stable now, it's not moving so much. And make sure you attach it to the inside of your jeans, not to the outside. So this is my outside, right? Now we're going to work with the sewing machine and make a normal straight stitch. But look, the fabric has direction. You can see these lines. So I will try to make straight stitch in the same direction. So my stitches will go like this, yeah? In the same direction. So we're going to repeat the pattern, and I will go forward and then backwards, forward, backwards, and I will try to move a little bit and cover this hole that we have. So this is what I have at the moment. My thread is not exactly the same color, so you can see it. But if you will find something very matching, it will be less visible. And I only went one time. So of course you can go more rounds on top of this to make it even stronger here, yeah? So if you make more these stitches and completely hide it, it will be even stronger. You can wear your jeans longer because this part that normally gets a hole will be more stronger than before, yeah? So just I will go more times and hide this hole under my stitch. And one more time, I still try to keep the direction the same, and this is what you have. So now it's much more thick and you can wear your jeans for a longer time. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video and it helps you with your jeans. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it was useful for you. We also have an online course on how to start sewing, so if you're interested, please click the description and you will see the link to our website. I hope to see you soon. Bye!